Which bone is part of the axial skeleton? Femur, radius, sternum, scapula. The longest bone in the human body is the tibia, fibula, femur, humerus. Which of the following is a function of the skeletal system? Blood circulation, protection of internal organs, absorption of nutrients, production of insulin. Protection of internal organs. Which structure is part of the central nervous system? Spinal nerves, optic nerves, brain, sensory receptors. Brain. The smallest bone in the human body is the stapes, incus, malleus, nasal bone. Stape. What type of joint is found in the elbow? Ball and socket, hinge, pivot, saddle. Hinge joint. The largest part of the brain is the cerebellum, medulla oblongata, cerebrum, diencephalon. Cerebrum. The primary function of red blood cells is to fight infection, carry oxygen, form blood clots, regulate body temperature. Carry oxygen. Which of the following muscle is part of the quadriceps group? Bicep femoris, rectus femoris, gluteus maximus, gastrocnemius. Rectus femoris. The anatomical term for the shoulder blade is clavicle, scapula, humerus, sternum. Scapula.